BluTaper, how to make a caulk bead. Now in this video, I'm going to make just a short little caulk bead on this little ledge here. And to do this, you need your taper, you need your tape loaded. Doesn't really matter what direction, you'll find out, just whatever's convenient. And you need these accessories that came with your BluTaper. This is the plate that's going to hold the tape. It's very specific distance away from the wall, 1/4 inch, just so the caulk bead can be formed inside of the barrier that the tape's going to make. And you need your caulking stick. Now this end is really just for peeling up tape if it's really stuck on there. But this end is critical. The round end, that's how you form the bead. So you definitely have to have this on hand. So my surfaces are clean and I'm ready here. All I got to do is attach the caulking plate. So it's got these little hooks here, these little slots at the end. Just going to put those in there and then press my tabs down on the back. Press them on. If I want it back off, just lift off the tabs. Comes right off. But I want it on, so I'm putting it back on. And we are ready to tape. So, in this way, okay, I'm going right to left because it doesn't really matter. So stick it. If you watched my video on taping trim, you know these steps. Stick it, zip it, flip it, snip it. And I could flip the tape right now if I wanted to, but there's really no need. I'm just going to go the other direction. Stick it. Zip it. Flip it. And snip it. So, tape is on there nice and good, and we are all done with this. That's all you got to do with that. So the next step is to put the caulking in. And I'm caulking, and whoop, there's a big glob, big mess. Oop, there's a hole. What are we going to do? Messy, messy. So I've just applied the caulking and we're done with the gun for now. This, in a normal situation, total disaster. What the pros usually do is they're very specific about what the amount that they put down, and then they go over with their finger. You don't need to do that anymore. All you need is this thing and this setup. So what I'm going to do, I got my paper towels and my trash can handy. This is pretty important. You do want those around. So paper towels, you're going to see what I'm going to do this in a minute. So I'm just going to go like this with the bead right on through here. Doesn't matter how this goes, any angle. And if any excess ends up on the tool, I'm just going to wipe it off on my paper towels. And I can go over this as many times as I want. Doesn't matter. But notice I left a hole here in the middle. I hope you can see it, but there's a big hole right there. What am I going to do? Well, you can't go over that again with your finger. There's no way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my caulk gun again, just put a little bit more on there. And that should be enough to do it. And I'm going to go back over it again. And now that hole is filled. It doesn't matter how many times I go over this. This ball end is going to go in this space. It's going to touch the tape in the exact same spot every time. So, okay. There we have a perfectly uniform bead. And I'm done with this, so I'm going to throw it away. And the last step, you can let it dry or you can peel it right away. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to peel the tape. One into the trash can. And two into the trash can. And there you have a perfect caulk bead.